can remember, and I can tell you I was 16 years old. I was working in a small foreign car shop, just doing tune-ups and oil changes. I want to say it was either the brake clean or for some reason the white lube. Once I went out of the independent repair, I went into a dealership in 1987. In 1987, I went to the dealership, and then it was all the HHS 2000, the brake clean, some silicone spray, some rubber care products, anti-squeak stuff that we used to use, rust off, Contact OS, Contact OL for electrical issues, which was a godsend back there with water leaks in cars. But that type of stuff. I've been using Wurth chemicals in products for 33 plus years. I've never questioned picking up a can or using anything. And it's just that before I was at Volvo, I was a master Mazda tech, master Saturn tech, and we use Wurth chemicals there also. So before any involvement with Volvo, I was into the Wurth chemicals and using them, and they just outperformed anything else I've used. I mean, there's other manufacturers out there that do have specific products that work and work very well, but generally they're more expensive, they're harder to obtain, they don't have the convenience that you guys got with your on-site salesmen and stuff like that. That's what makes it so really, really good. The convenience, the product, I mean, the product quality stands for itself. I can't say any more about that. If you use it, you'll understand. But the convenience of the field rep coming in, knowing where all my stuff is stored, knowing what levels of product I want to consistently keep in stock, and they go ahead and do it. They order it, they'll come in, they'll break the boxes open, they'll stock my cabinets, they'll ask me, you know, you've been extra low on this week, I've been using more, do you want to up the order or not? They don't just automatically do anything without consulting. They're very professional. It's just a whole nother aspect of my job that I don't have to worry about. I just let them do it. And it's worked very well that way. That's a huge, huge convenience for me. Showroom detailer we use a lot of the ActiviClean, the glass cleaner, which is, I don't know what you guys put in it, but it's incredible. It works wonders. But also the bike spray that you guys actually just kind of came out with. I use a lot of that on my Harleys, but also the bike spray is better for cleaning the car. The showroom detailer is great for exactly what it is, for showroom detail. So when the car's clean and you want to maintain that, just maybe take fingerprints off, that's great. But the bike spray has got the distillants in it. It takes away the bug and the tar and all that stuff that you get on the road, and it's a great product. It works really, really well. At any given chance, I turn people on to the Wurth product as much as possible. Like I tell them, there are other products out there, there are cheaper products out there. I would rather use, maybe it might be a little more expensive, but I'll use a more expensive product if I have to use less of it. And that's what makes a lot of sense to me. Volvo's partnered with Wurth. So if Volvo does not have a chemical to accomplish either something adhesive, a cleaning, or anti-squeak, they go to Wurth. Wurth is the only chemical company that's authorized to be used on Volvos, and we'll refer to a Wurth product number in our tech bulletins out to the repairers. So we send tech bulletins out to all the retailers and say, this is a problem we found, this is the root cause, this is the solution, these are the tools, the parts, or the products that you use to accomplish that. And Wurth is the only other company that will be referred to in a specific part number to go to.